Hey friends, if you're looking for smart, comfortable, and safe urban mobility, the Ruito M5 Pro is an excellent option. Let's analyze its main features and understand why this model stands out, starting with the most important point: safety. Safety and visibility come first. The Ruito M5 Pro has brakes on both wheels, a horn, integrated turn signals, a front headlight with white or yellow light options, and red taillights, ensuring total visibility in traffic. The ergonomic handlebars with height adjustment provide more comfort and control while riding. Hydraulic damping system, equipped with 11 and 10-inch all-terrain tires and dual suspension, the scooter absorbs impacts and uneven terrain well. It supports up to 120 kilograms, offering stability and safety on different types of terrain. With its ultra-quiet 1600-watt brushless motor, it reaches a maximum speed of 55 kilometers per hour and overcomes inclines of up to 30 degrees. Excellent for urban or off-road use. Range of up to 80 kilometers. The 48-volt 18.2 amp-hour lithium battery delivers between 70 and 80 kilometers per full charge, varying according to the rider's weight, terrain type, and usage mode. Ideal for both daily use and longer journeys. Intelligent LCD display. A full screen that shows speed, battery level, and driving mode in real time, keeping you informed throughout your trip. And a unique feature, it comes with a removable seat and luggage rack, which can also be used as a seat to transport a second person, providing company during the journey. In addition, the Ruito M5 Pro has a quick folding system, making it easy to transport in a car or on public transport. Now, I want to know what you think. What did you think of the Ruito M5 Pro? Would you have one of these scooters for everyday use? Leave your comment below. Enjoy the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content about electric mobility.